What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be, it's not going to be a product review because I've actually already talked about both of these products, but what it's going to be is an experiment where I'm going to combine two of my favorite products together to come up with a killer curly cocktail that is just going to be fire. And those two products are my favorite gel, Wetline Xtreme, and my favorite Jheri curl juice, Proclaim Curl Activator. So if you haven't checked out my other videos where I'm doing a wash and go with this, and then another video where I'm doing a wash and go with this, go ahead and check those out. The results came out really good, but I'm a product junkie, and plus I just love to experiment, and plus I'm never satisfied. So now I want to try to put my two favorite products together and see what happens. So I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's get to this. As usual, I'm going to start with freshly washed and conditioned hair. In this video, most of the time, especially when I use Wetline, I always use leave-in conditioner. This time I'm skipping that since I'm going to be cocktailing the Wetline with this Jheri curl juice. So starting with the curl activator. And now, should have this open already. Now with the Wetline. And actually, I don't like to comb or brush my hair with the Wetline in it because it's too stiff. So I'm going to kind of comb it a little bit with just the Jheri curl juice in it, just to make sure that it's actually combed out. Okay, now for the Wetline. And although now I use the praying hands method, I still comb it through with my fingers like this because I still want to make sure the gel is on every single strand. So far, so good. Okay, so I finished applying the curl activator mixed with the Wetline Xtreme Gel, and so I'm going to let this dry, and I will be back to let you guys see the results. Okay, I'm back, and my hair is about 85 to 90% dry. I must say with the results, this is not what I expected. Now, the good part about this, for those of you who like that kind of look, my hair is still elongated, so if I wanted to have my hair look longer, when usually it's in a wash and go, it looks shorter because of the shrinkage. It looks longer, but I was expecting like a more softer feel like I had when I only use the curl activator. And I know I put the Wetline over it, so I wasn't expecting to be exactly that soft, but it's like literally crispy. I don't know if I overdid it on the Wetline. Maybe the ratio that I used wasn't correct. Like I should have used more curl activator and less Wetline. I'm actually thinking that's probably what it is. So it's crispy. I don't really care if it's crispy because nobody's going to be touching my hair. I just really care about the way it looks. The curls are not even popping the way that I thought that they would pop. To me, my other wash and goes, the one with just the wet line and then also the one with just the curl activator, were actually better than this. I mean, it looks fine, but it's not like my best. And I was expecting like these just, I was expecting it just to be lit, just, you know, fire. But it's not as mediocre, a mediocre wash and go. So this, I normally do not flush my I normally do not fluff my wash and goes at all, but in this case, I don't even know what to do with this. I probably want to fluff it a little bit because it's just kind of like sticking down to my face. And it's really, I guess because I use so much wet line, it's really not easy to fluff. I know I shouldn't be manipulating it like this. I mean, the good part about it is it's so crunchy that it's probably going to last a long time, but it just doesn't have the look that I was expecting with this combination of these two great products. So, you know, whatever. But anyway, so I mean, it looks fine. It's okay. My balloon is a little deflated. So I was expecting better results from this. I was just trying a little combo and it didn't turn out the way I wanted to. But anyway, so yeah, that's curl activator and wet line. Anywho, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up. Go ahead and leave a comment. If you have any other ideas for some other combinations I can use for wash and go, let me know what that is. I love experimenting. And if you're not already a subscriber, go on ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.